Ito pang narinig ko. Constitutional Assembly to extend the term of the incumbent politicians. That means including the congressman. So, kung nakinig lang kayo sa akin before the midterm elections, I already said this in Cebu, I said this everywhere I went. Yung bangag na yan, ayaw bumaba. Kasi alam niya, pag bumaba siya, makukulong siya. We have to do more. We have to do more. We have to push harder. We cannot allow this administration to go beyond 2028. Ganito yung structure nila eh. So ngayon, they are supporting the left, the extreme left, mga makabayan, the NPA, because, and probably, coming from the statement of Marbil, that drugs is only to extend the work hours of people. That's why they are lenient on these groups and individuals because yun lang ang allies nila. Lahat nga talaga na inayos ng previous administration by PRRD, binalik talaga ni Marcos. And look at what happened. Look at what is happening to us now. We have never been more divided than ever before until this